Hi, in this session we will cover license administration. First, you need to make sure you have at least one user assigned to the administrator group on the Boyum portal where you did your initial setup, where you connected your database, where you listed all your users. Once that is completed, you can go into your Launchpad. You click on this icon right here on the right upper corner and you click on License Assignment. What you see here are all the users you set up on the portal. So any users who will use one of our products needs to be set up. And here you activate the modules the users can have access to just by clicking on the button. This is for all the different products except the operators. The operators are handled a little bit different. The operators are set up in SAP Business One in Human Resource. And here you activate the operator license, the terminal license. So all different products are set up here and you activate or not, and the operators, the terminal license are set up here and the users are set up in human resource. And as soon you activate the product, they will have access to the product. Once you're finished with your setup, you can just click back and you're ready to go and access your modules.